Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In this fun and relatable conversation between two friends, one is fed up with pigeons invading his balcony, while the other shares clever hacks to get rid of them. Stick around till the end to learn some easy and useful phrases that can be used. So let's dive in. Huh, I can't take it anymore. My balcony has turned into a pigeon headquarters. Again? Weren't you trying to scare them off last week? I did. I tried clapping loudly, shouting at them, even swinging a towel. Nothing works. They just look at me like I'm the intruder. Huh, they've claimed your territory, bro. What are they doing now? Making a mess, as usual. Poop everywhere, feathers, twigs. And the worst part? That grue noise early in the morning. It's driving me insane. I haven't slept properly in days. Dude, that's rough. Sounds like they're planning a full-time stay. Did they build a nest? I think so. I found a bunch of dry leaves and tiny sticks near the AC unit. And now, they just sit there, like royalty. Okay, you need to deal with this before it becomes a pigeon nursery. Want a few tried and tested tricks? Please. I'll try anything at this point. First, pigeon netting. That's the ultimate solution. No entry, no mess. They can't get in. Yeah, but installing a net feels like a big job. Isn't that expensive? Not really. You can get it done for a decent price, but if you're looking for cheaper hacks, I've got some. Tell me everything. All right, hack number one, shiny distractions, old CDs, aluminum foil strips, or even those flashy ribbons. Hang them where pigeons usually sit. The reflection and movement scare them off. Interesting. I've got a pile of unused CDs lying around. Perfect. Hack number two, bird spikes or plastic ledge strips. They don't hurt the birds, but they make it impossible for them to perch. Where do I get those? Online or at any local hardware store. Super easy to fix too. Noted. What else? You can also use essential oils. Pigeons hate strong smells like peppermint, eucalyptus, or clove. Mix a few drops with water and spray it around the balcony every day. I didn't know that. Might even make the place smell better for me too. Exactly. Also, clean the balcony thoroughly. Use disinfectant. Pigeons tend to return to places that smell familiar. Remove their nest if there are no eggs. That part's going to be hard. It feels like they're watching me all the time. They probably are. Oh, and one more. Motion sensor sprinklers. A bit fancy, but pigeons hate getting splashed. You don't have to chase them anymore. Okay, I'm making a list now. CDs, foil, oils, cleaning, maybe even spikes. And if that fails, netting. Now you're talking. Trust me, once you take back the balcony, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. I just want to sleep past 6 a.m. without that horror movie soundtrack? Fair enough. But hey, look on the bright side. You're getting a crash course in pest control. Yeah, a very noisy crash course. But thanks for the hacks. I'm starting Operation Pigeon-Free Balcony tonight. Let me know if you need help setting things up. I'll bring my toolkit and some peppermint oil. Deal! And if this works, coffee's on me in my peaceful pigeon-free balcony. That's a plan I like. Let's make it happen. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.